Yeah, the paper's cute. Look at inside.
The guys would have liked this one.
We were very desperate for boxes around here.
Yes.
Down there.
Need a knife? She's strong.
She wants to go to prison now.
Here, breakable. Ooh, how pretty. What a cute little girl.
Is that the kind of artist, something that you like? Artist, wasn't there a certain artist that you liked? Or
Oh, that's the Swedish one. Carl, somebody. What's his name? Carl
Larson.
No.
Carl Malden. The big nose.
This is by Sandra Cuck.
I thought the little girl looked like somebody.
Oh,
She probably does look like somebody.
Somebody that
Somebody
if her hair was short. If her hair was short. Does that face
like
look like
that
anybody?
little picture.
Put her on this.
Maybe when you say it.
Well, I thought it was like Lindsay.
And that's
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. She's cute. That's pretty. Very nice.
Don't break it.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Saw this in the store today and I wondered what it was like.
Who
Has
has
anybody
it?
played it?
Diana's family's had lots of Loretta and Eddie. They've had lots of fun with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
You know,
so...
our old, in fact, we're going to do it today, drawing charades, where you draw instead of act out.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of on that night.
That's great.
You know, that's the game that Mary has and plays all the time when she has people over.
Really?
Hmm
Mary did it.
At work. She's always commenting on it, too.
Oh, you-
That's a good one, I guess. She wants to be sure it gets on the tape.
Rawlings written in. A special note from your big sis.
Oh.
Okay, the card says, to my sister on her birthday, whenever I think back on the way I treated you when we were young, the mindless jokes, the cruel taunts, chasing you, this is Rawlings edition, chasing you with the vacuum cleaner, hiding Charlie the monkey from you.
Yes.
It cheers me right up. We love you, sis. Rawlings Rich. That's good. That's cute.
Twilight Zone.
She was always analyzing
So I
what she was
we
calling.
should have said, well, you did it. You did
Ooh,
it.
those are pretty raw.
Are those okay?
Yeah, those are real nice. Those are great.
Yeah, after I saw you, I went upstairs and saw this, and I thought, hey, they got both colors in there.
Yeah, that's great. Good. Is it a song?
What's the album?
Yeah, Lynette was concerned maybe your tablecloth was all, is it a tablecloth, too, that you were matching? What was it that it was going with?
We
The,
had that smoked glass.
oh, yeah, so it's the plates.
With the
that's
plates
going-
that have blue in them.
Yeah.
I did one today too. That mom
What's the album?
had
And
The album.
think of home.
That's right.
Let's go ahead and eat calendar.
I want you to think about us all the time. Get anxious to come back.
When you wake up in the morning, when you go to bed at night, you gotta look at there and
And say, oh, I left my heart in San Francisco.
Left my heart in Oakland.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I'm glad you got it out of there though.
Yeah. That's nice. Well, thank you everybody very much.
You're welcome.
Lynette has